hey guys, what's up? We made it to the 4th floor, I believe we're on, and we are filming in the padded room in a minute, but I'm gonna try to just do a little bit of the hallway for you guys.
What the heck? It's there, it's there.
Did you guys just see that? And it opened before, when we were setting up, Donna, come and talk to.
Yeah,
Lil D.
we,
and it's
shutting.
So what happened was, Donna was in the padded room setting stuff up. I
And it
was
said,
bent over
"You're
here.
back."
It said, you're back, her phone, but I was bent over here and I heard knocks from in here and I looked in, nothing. The door, I said to Donna, I think the door was shut. And she's like, it was, like it is now. I came back to look again because I heard something else. And the door was open, and now you guys just witnessed that with us. That was friggin' awesome.
And there's no wind or
No,
anything, and
look.
this door is shut.
Yep.
It's shut.
Wow.
Yeah.
I like that.
Okay.
Who's doing that?
Who is doing this?
Portal.
Was it
Portal.
Portal.
Portal. Are we going through a portal?
And it's shut. Look, it's
Done. It's shut.
wow. We got that twice, guys. I knew we'd get good vibes here.
Yeah, I felt it, but I mean, and after
And we walked
being,
around a little bit too before we set up, right? To see what vibe caught us. We said the padded room, excellent hallway.
and actually, when we were downstairs and we shut off the camera, it said, keep recording.
Yep.
We were like, really?
And we just put all our equipment away and shut everything out. So
anyway, we're
Wow.
gonna try.
who did that?
Run now.
Oh, it said run now.
now.
Well, we're not going to run because we like this stuff and we want to communicate with you. So we are going to stay. Is that okay that we stay? Open that door. Again, if you want us to stay or knock on it.
What the heck was that?
Down the hallway. If you want us to leave,
Can you
open
knock
the door.
or open? That was crazy.
That was, I'm so happy we've caught that. Wow. Amazing. You're
but
sure
this-
it was on film, right? Oh, yeah.
Oh
All
yeah,
right.
trust me.
All right. So I'm going to
Okay.
film a little bit, I think, in the hallway.
Yeah. Okay. And
Just
then we'll go.
listen for noises. We can step back here and just kind of watch
Yeah,
again.
yeah.
Maybe we'll capture that door opening again.
Guys, if you see anything or
Hear anything?
hear
yes,
anything.
drop a comment, please. And Lil D and I are on our own in here, so
Yeah, it's.
a little creepy, but cool.
Ow. All right. Door is shut.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm Leah, and this is Donna. Who are we communicating with? That's outside noise.
Yeah. Can you give us your name?
Please. Or can you show yourself down the hallway to us?
That would be nice.
Up here.
Up here. And it sounds like it's behind,
Behind
us.
us.
I'm just going to take the camera and go that way, since we're hearing noise over there.
So you're up with us? Who is up here with us? Can you tell us your name, please?
I hear something down there, like walking.
I know. I hope the camera catches it. Who's here with us?
Did you just hear music?
Oh, Jesus.
I hear noises everywhere.
We just heard a knock.
From that door that opened.
And the door is shut. No,
Oh,
that was
you?
me.
Okay.
That was me.
Debunked. That's Donna. All right. Let me,
All right,
I'm going to
let's-
film in the padded room, guys.
Yeah, let's see.
And set up. Let me just move the camera back. I just don't want to drop
Yeah, so,
anything. I have the REM pod in there.
Yep.
I just want
The
to,
cat ball is in there.
just
The
gonna,
EMF. And then we're going to put on the, what's it called?
the spirit box
The spirit box. Thank
to
you.
see what we get.
I'll
And
shut
we'll
off
lock
my
the
phone.
camera here. Let me know how I'm doing with the camera, guys. Al's our camera guy, so trying.
Later, we're going to be going somewhere that is pretty cool. So we won't have to set up a lot of stuff. But we're going to be in a cemetery in Letchworth. So follow us, please.
All right, then you can shut your phone down, Donna.
Yep.
I'm going to do this.
I'm going to shut this down.
Temperature.
Wasn't that door.
Just don't yell. I don't want to get caught in here.
I know. Holy moly. Okay, I'm shutting this down. All right, guys. So let's see what happens here. We're hearing a lot of banging and stuff, so we'll see.
Temperature.
The door's opening again.
It is?
Oh my God.
I can't figure this out. Hold on.
Are you going to come in here with us? Oh, Jesus. I can't.
Sorry, guys. Give me a second.
Yeah, just stay with us.
I'm actually going to unplug this. I don't know. It's not turning on. I have my microphone on. How come this isn't making noise? Hold on, guys.
Al's probably like, what are these two doing?
It's on. There's no...
All right. If it's not working, don't worry about that. Let's get the other thing going.
Here we go.
All right. What is this? That's not even that. What the hell was... Shh. I gotta check something out.
What?
I thought I saw a shadow behind a door. This is crazy.
Is there anyone here with us? All right, now I'll just listen.
Do you want to put the REM pod out here or one of the things out here?
I would
Since
leave
we're
it
getting...
in. All right.
I'm just thinking. All right, guys.
All right, let's
We're going to be
listen.
really quiet and we're going to listen. It's not even that door. Which door is it?
I'm going to film down that way.
Yeah. I don't know which door it is.
Who's here with us? Who's doing that? I think it said me.
It's what? The wind? There's no wind.
I'm Leah. This is Donna. Can I have your name, please?
Right here. It's another EMF.
Who's here with us? Who's moving that door?
Oh, that was me, guys.
Can you do it again? Who are we communicating with? And it knocked the thing over. I hope I caught that.
Did you just open up the door? I'm gonna shut it again.
Was that you? It sounded like it said hello. Hello?
Hello? Can you set off the REM pod, please?
I don't even have it in the camera.
What?
I don't even have it in the camera.
Can you set off the REM pod? I know someone is around here.
Do you know what year it is? Can you see Donna and I right now? Let me turn it back in here.
Yeah.
And see if I get anything.
Where's the cat ball?
In there. It didn't go off. Is anyone here with us? Can you set some of our devices off, please? I heard a knock down there. Come on, guys.
Did you just knock? Is that still on? Or can I put my phone back on?
Yeah, you could put your phone on. Oops, I had to turn it off. Okay, temperature.
How many minutes are we on?
12 minutes. So
Okay.
we'll do a little bit more and see if we get anything, guys.
And if not, we're gonna go to another facility.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, we're gonna venture out. Who's here with us? This must have been a nurse's station or something.
Is there anyone here with us at all today that wants to communicate? Please set my REM pod off.
Just said happy. I didn't have it up,
Happy?
but it said happy.
Were you happy here?
Are you happy that we're here?
Thank you for opening that door. And now, guys, the door's quiet.
Are you happy that we're here?
And up above me over here says snack room 25. And then they had a snack room and a padded room here. So weird. Anyone at all here with us? I'm gonna walk past the door again and see if a spirit will open it. Can you open the door again, please? Anyone with us? Hello, I'm Leah.
I'm Donna.
We just want to communicate. A bird or a
that's
goose.
outside.
All right, guys, I'm going to
Yeah.
conclude this one. And
Hear it.
did you hear
Can
it?
you hear it?
That was
You
the
talking about
bird.
the birds?
We did hear it, and we heard you opening that door, and we heard footsteps also.
Yep, and a knock. So, do you want to say any more to us? Because we're going to leave.
Can you say goodbye to us? I just heard another bang behind us. All right, guys, we'll conclude this one, and hopefully we're doing okay for you guys. Please share the channel, subscribe, share, like, comment, and if you heard anything else that we missed, please drop a comment below. Thank you, guys.
Bye.
Love you all.